Antarctica, a land of ice and snow, a place where the temperatures plummet to unimaginable lows and the landscape is dominated by vast ice fields and towering glaciers, a continent of glaciers and penguins. Here, life has adapted to the harshest of conditions, with penguins huddling together for warmth and seals diving into icy waters. It seems impossible to imagine this frozen world as anything else. But beneath the ice lies a hidden history, one that tells a story of a much warmer past. Yet, scientists have made a remarkable discovery: amber. This ancient fossilized tree resin offers a glimpse into a time when Antarctica was not covered in ice. This discovery hints at a time long ago when Antarctica was a very different place, a place where lush forests thrived and diverse ecosystems flourished. Amber is not just a pretty stone. It is a time capsule, preserving the past in stunning detail. It is fossilized tree resin, resin that once flowed from ancient trees, capturing moments of life as it hardened. Millions of years ago, resin oozed from trees, trapping insects, plants, and even air bubbles within its sticky grasp. These inclusions provide a snapshot of the environment at that time. Over time, this resin hardened, preserving these ancient treasures. The process of fossilization turned the resin into amber, locking away secrets of the past. Finding amber in Antarctica is like finding a message in a bottle, a message from a forgotten time. It tells us that this icy continent was once teeming with life. This discovery is significant because amber provides a unique window into the past. It allows scientists to study the climate, flora, and fauna of ancient Antarctica. It allows us to see what life was like millions of years ago. The insects and plants trapped in amber are like pages in a history book, each telling a part of the story. By studying the insects, plants, and other organisms trapped inside, scientists can piece together the story of Antarctica's ancient past. This research helps us understand how the continent has changed over millions of years and provides insights into the Earth's climatic history. Amber is more than just fossilized tree resin. It is a remarkable substance that has fascinated humans for centuries, not only for its beauty but also for its scientific value. It is a time capsule, preserving snapshots of Earth's history. Each piece of amber contains within it a story, a moment frozen in time, offering a glimpse into the distant past. Imagine holding a piece of amber in your hand, knowing that you are holding something millions of years old. This ancient resin has captured and preserved the world as it once was, providing a tangible connection to prehistoric times. The insects trapped inside are frozen in time, their delicate wings and legs perfectly preserved. These tiny creatures, often no bigger than a grain of rice, offer invaluable insights into the biodiversity of ancient ecosystems. Scientists can analyze the chemical composition of amber to learn about the atmosphere in which the trees grew. This analysis can reveal details about the climate, the types of vegetation, and even the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air at that time. They can examine the DNA of the trapped organisms, tracing their evolutionary lineage. This genetic information helps scientists understand how species have evolved and adapted over millions of years. Each piece of amber is a tiny window into the past, offering clues about ancient ecosystems, climates, and even the evolution of life itself. It is like a natural archive, meticulously preserving the details of a bygone era. The discovery of amber in Antarctica is particularly exciting because it provides insights into a time when the continent was much warmer and more hospitable to life. This amber tells a story of a lush, green Antarctica teeming with life. By studying this amber, scientists hope to learn more about the ancient ecosystems that once thrived in this now frozen land. These findings could reshape our understanding of Earth's climatic history and the adaptability of life in extreme conditions. During the Cretaceous period, roughly 145 to 66 million years ago, the Earth was a very different place. Dinosaurs roamed the land, and the climate was much warmer than it is today. Even Antarctica, now a land of ice and snow, was covered in lush forests. The discovery of amber in Antarctica provides further evidence of this warmer past. The presence of amber suggests that Antarctica was once home to vast forests of conifer trees, similar to modern-day pines and spruces. These trees produced the resin that eventually fossilized into amber. The amber found in Antarctica contains remnants of ancient life. including insects, fungi, and even small vertebrates. These findings paint a picture of a very different Antarctica than the one we know today. It was a land of warmth and life, with a climate more akin to that of modern-day New Zealand. Section 4. Lost Worlds, Swamps, Conifers, and Ferns. The amber found in Antarctica tells a tale of ancient swamps, towering conifers, and lush ferns. Imagine a world where dinosaurs lumbered through dense forests, their footsteps shaking the ground. The air was thick with humidity, and the scent of pine resin filled the air. The amber itself provides clues about this ancient landscape. The presence of conifer resin suggests that these trees were abundant. Fossilized insects found within the amber, such as beetles and flies, indicate the presence of a diverse ecosystem. These ancient forests were not just home to trees and insects. They were teeming with life, from tiny microorganisms to large dinosaurs. The discovery of amber provides a tantalizing glimpse into this lost world, offering clues about the plants and animals that once thrived in this now frozen continent. Section 5. Whispers of Ancient Life Fossils Tell the Tale. The amber discoveries complement a growing body of evidence about Antarctica's past. These tiny time capsules, often containing perfectly preserved insects and plant material, offer a unique glimpse into the ecosystems that once thrived in this now icy continent. Scientists have unearthed fossilized roots, which are crucial in understanding the types of vegetation that once covered the land. Pollen and spores, each providing a different piece of the puzzle. All these findings point to a time when Antarctica was a green and vibrant continent, teeming with life and lush vegetation. These fossils are like puzzle pieces, each one helping to complete the picture of Antarctica's ancient past. They tell us about the climate, the types of plants and animals that lived there, and how the environment has changed over millions of years. Each discovery, no matter how small, adds to our understanding. For instance, the discovery of fossilized tree roots suggests the presence of large forests, indicating a much warmer climate than today. For instance, the discovery of fossilized tree roots suggests the presence of large forests. Pollen analysis reveals the types of plants that once flourished, providing clues about the climate and environmental conditions of the time. While fossilized spores provide insights into the types of fungi that thrived in this ancient ecosystem, these tiny remnants of life are invaluable in piecing together the ecological history of Antarctica. Each fossil is a whisper from the past, a silent storyteller that speaks volumes about a world long gone, telling a story of a warmer, more vibrant Antarctica. These ancient remnants paint a picture of a land that was once full of life and color. These fossils, along with the amber discoveries, provide compelling evidence that Antarctica was once a very different place than it is today. They help us understand the dramatic changes that have occurred over millions of years. They offer a glimpse into a lost world, a world that was rich in biodiversity and complex ecosystems. A world that existed millions of years ago when Antarctica was a land of forests, swamps, and abundant life. This ancient world, revealed through fossils, continues to captivate scientists and enrich our understanding of Earth's dynamic history.